Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the InData Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. There are all kinds of apps to help people how to remember to do things, what order things need to be done. So Wendy Miers is going to show us an app called CanPlan that's going to show us some pretty cool ways to remember how to do some tasks.
Hi, I'm Wendy Miers with the InData Project, the Equipment Loan Specialist. And today I'm going to talk about the app on the iPad for the CanPlan. It's an app that actually allows you to use any of the Apple products that you can put this on. And it's actually to promote independence, and it allows individuals to have a sequence of tasks that they can use for. It could be doing anything. It could be anything from washing your clothes, making coffee, to maybe something in a workplace. To get started, once you open the app, there's a number of tasks that are already in here. As you can see, they have one for charging the phone, for making coffee, and for washing clothes. You can also add your own. This allows you to do a step-by-step of different tasks through photographs. You can also reinforce those different photographs by using videos, text, or audio for each one of those tasks. So once you set up your task, I'll just kind of walk through one of these simple ones. So for making coffee, they've set up a step-by-step, so they've used the text at the bottom of the page, and you just start and you can walk through each step. It shows you each step that you can, what to do for each thing, and it has the text at the bottom of the screen. So it's done that for each one of these different ones. So these are ones that are pre-programmed on there, but you can add your own. So like I've added one. Just to add my own, I go in, I choose my photo. I can either use one, I can take a photo right now, or I can use one that I've already made in my photo. So go to my camera roll and I choose one. So if we wanted to, then we could name this Peeling an Orange. And then we're going to set those up by adding the different steps. So each step would need to be photographed and set up and ready to go, and then you can add each task. So to add those. Once I've actually added all my different tasks in here, one of the things that I can do is I can go to my to-do list and I can schedule those tasks. So I can schedule a task by just adding the reminder up in the top. It allows me to then choose what one task I want. So if it was to wash my clothes, I can choose my date. So if it were tomorrow, what time do I want that to actually come up? So if I wanted to say tomorrow morning at say 10 o'clock a.m. And then I can have it repeat. So if I wanted to do that every Saturday morning, for example, I could use that as kind of the one. This allows me down here to record a video or to speak a reminder into it. Once I'm done, this goes on to my calendar for today. So if I look at tomorrow, you can see I have my wash clothes on here at 10 o'clock. It'll actually send me a reminder on my notification on the front of my iPad or on my iPhone or my iPod, whatever I'm using, that it's okay, it's 10 o'clock on Saturday morning, it's time to wash your clothes. So once I go to that task, it'll just walk me through. So I can just start through, and it takes me through each step. Separating it out, putting it into this machine, adding the detergent, measuring it, and so forth. So I can go through each step. And then at the top, I can either skip a step if I maybe get interrupted and come back to it later. So it doesn't show as finished on the front. So I've skipped it, so it needs to take me back. I need to go back to where I was at, open it back up. Then once I'm finished, I hit the done, and it checks it off on my list. Okay. Back to this is all my tasks, so I can add as many tasks as I can as I would want. So it could be step by step, it could be set up for every day, it could be set for once a week, once a month, for all the different things. I can really see a lot of folks using this in a support and employment job that needs some prompting through, helping with them. It also comes with a user manual that gives you a lot of information in regards to how to set up different categorization and for the different things, as well as just step by steps on how to use the app itself or how to demonstrate the app itself. It allows you to back those up too, so that you can recall them later if you need to. You can purchase this through the App Store. The one I'm using is actually free, but there are ways that if you look through, in here. If I go and I can unlock more features at the bottom once I've purchased the free, or downloaded, I should say, the free app to purchase. There's for $1.99 you can actually use it for text to speech. So it will actually read the text at the bottom of the page as opposed to recording text on there for each one. Or you can purchase the unlimited number of tasks for $14.99. So that'll allow you to put as many tasks as you want to in there. The free version will only allow, I'm not sure how many, but it will only allow a limited number of tasks. That's your tech tip for the week for the CanPlan app, and thanks for watching.
So that's a pretty cool app for knowing how to do tasks in the right order. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the InData Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.